Hi my dear kids, I am very happy to see you all again. I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharatidasana Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today we are going to learn a topic from Maths for UKG Cuties. Shall we children? Yes, very good. In the previous classes we have learned the numbers from 1 to 200, right children? முன்னாடி நம்ம 1ல இருந்து 200 வரைக்கும் எப்படி எல்லாம் எழுதணும் அப்படினு கத்துக்கிட்டோம். அம்மா தான சொல்லும். So, following that in this class we are going to learn the numbers from 201 to 220. What are the numbers today we are going to learn children? Yes, the numbers from 201 to 220. Okay children? It's very good. I am going to divide those numbers into two groups, two series of numbers. Okay, how? Yes, listen. 201 to 210 is the first series of numbers. Okay, the next series of numbers are 211 to 220. Okay, children. So now we are going to learn the first series of numbers, which are 201 to 210. Very good children. So see here, in that the first number is 201. What number is this children? 201. First listen my dears. Now going to write the place value. Okay, first see here, what is the place value of this number? Yes, 1's place value. The next number's value is, yes, you are right, 10's place value. And what about the third digit children? Yes, 100's place value. Right, very good children. See here children, in this series the numbers from 201 to 209, we should not change the 10's place value and 100's place value. Okay children, we should change only 1's place value in ascending order. Okay children, till the number 209. Okay. Okay, usually we write max numbers in checked page, right children? Likewise, in this class also we are going to write the numbers in checked page. So, take your pencil, take your checked notebook and then sharp your pencil. Listen to me carefully and write neatly. Okay children? First listen. Okay, 201. How to write 201 my dears? Listen. First, left open curve and then sleeping line. This is the number 2, right? Very good. Next, this is a circle. So, when we draw a circle, we can get the number 0, right children? Very good. 201. How to write 1? Listen. Slanting line without lifting your pencil, standing line, bottom of the standing line you have to draw a sleeping line so that we can get the number 1, right? All together, join together, we can read this number as 201. What number is this dears? 201. Very good. What is the next number my dear children? What is the next number? See here, 202. Notice one thing my dears, here also we didn't change the 10's place value and 100's place value, right? It's very good. So, how to read this number children? Yes, 202. Okay. Shall we write the number and check the page now? Yes, listen. First, listen. Left open curve and then sleeping line, 2 and then 0, again 2, left open curve and then sleeping line, so that we can get the number 202. What number is this my dear children? Yes, 202. Very good. The very next number 202 is 203. What number is this my dear children? Yes, this is the number 203, right? Yes, very good. we are going to write the number here. Listen to me carefully. Listen how to write 2, my dear children. Now you have to say the strokes I am going to write. Okay. Okay, how to write 2? Yes, very good. Left open curve and then sleeping line. Very good. Then how to write 0? Yes, very good. 0 and then how to write 3, my dear children? Listen. Left open curve, again left open curve, so that we can get the number 3. Join together 203. How to pronounce this number, children? Eppadi number sollano? 203. Very good. The next number is 204. What number is this, my dears? Yes, 204. Listen. Let's write the number 204. Okay. Left open curve, sleeping line. 2 and then listen. 0. Then 4. How to write 4, my dears? Yes, you are correct. Slanting line, sleeping line. At the top of the slanting line, you should draw a standing line so that we can get the number 4. Join together, we can read it as 204. What number is this, children? Yes, 204. Very good. The next number is 205. What number is this? 205. Very good. See here, we are going to write the number here. Okay. First, 2. Left open curve and then sleeping line. And then listen. 0. How to write 5? Listen, listen. Standing line. Left open curve. At the top of the standing line, we should draw a sleeping line like this. So that this is 205. Okay. Very good, children. The next number is, what number is this? Yes, 206. What number, children? 206. Shall we write this number, dears? Yes, very good. Look at the board carefully. First, 2, 0, 6. 206. What number, children? 206. Very good. The next number is 207. What number, children? 207. It is very easy to write. Okay. Listen. So, write this number neatly, my dears. See here. 2. Left open curve and then sleeping line. 2. Then listen. 0. How to write 7? For 7, we need only 2 strokes, right? Sleeping line and then slanting line. See here. Sleeping line, slanting line. 207. What number, children? 207. Very good. The next number is 208. What is it, children? 208. Listen. Shall we write it, my dears? Yes, good. 2, 0, 8. How to write 8? Listen. Left open curve, right open curve, left open curve, and then we have to join the curves like this. Okay. So that we can get the number 208. Okay. The very next number to 208 is 209. What number is this, children? 209. Very good. Listen. Now we are going to write the number 209. Listen everyone. 2, 0, 9. Circle and then standing line. So, this is the number 209. Okay children. Now see here, in the series we should not change the tens place value and hundreds place value till the number 209, right children? So 209 is over. So what about the next number children? What about the next number? See here, there is a small difference here. What is it? Yes, here we have changed the ones place value as well as tens place value also. Hundreds place value should not be changed. Okay children? Now see here we can get the number 210, right? 210, 210. How to write 210? See here children, 2, 1, 0. This is the number 210. What number children? Yes, 210. Very good. Now see here, this is the time for activity. Okay children, see, find me. See here, what is this? Yes, this is an apple. What is this? Yes, this is a mango and this one is ice cream, right children? They all lost their names. Avanga name tolachitanga children. So now we are going to help them to find their names. Okay? நம்ம அவங்களுக்கு அவங்களோட நேம்ஸை கண்டுபிடிச்சு தரலாமா? அவங்க நேம்ஸ் தொலைஞ்சிருச்சான். ஸோ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சு தரலாமா? Yes, very good. See here children, 201, 202, 203. What is the next number children? What is the next number? Oh, you're correct. 204. So what is the name of this apple? Yes, the name of the apple is 204. Very good my dears. Then following that, see here, 205, 206. What is the next number my dears? Yes, 207. 207. 207. So the name of the mango is 207. Good children. Next one, 208, 209. What is the last number of the series? Yes, you are absolutely correct. 210. So that we found the names of apple, mango and then ice cream. Right children? What is the name of apple? 204. Right? What is the name of mango? 207. Right children? What is the name of an ice cream? Yes, the name of an ice cream is 210. Very good children. You all did this activity very well. Okay. Next, move on to the next series of numbers, which are 211 to 220. Okay. In this series, the tens place value and hundreds place value numbers should not be changed till the number 219. Okay children? So, only we can change. We should change the ones place value. Okay children? So, see here how to pronounce this number 211. Very good children. Now, we are going to write the number in checked page. Okay? Take your pencil, write the number neatly. Okay children? See. 2. How to write 1 my dears? Yes. Slanting line, standing line, bottom of the standing line you have to draw a sleeping line. Okay? Again 1, so that we can get the number 211. What number is this? 211. Very good. The next number is 212. What number is this? 212, right? It's very good. Here, see here children, the hundreds place value and tens place value never changes till the number 219, right children? It's very good. Keep it in your mind, okay? 212. Shall we write it dears? Yes. 2, 1, 2. 212, right? Good. What is the next number? Gokul, what is the next number? Yes, 213. Very good, dears. Let's listen. How to write 213? 2, 1 and then 3. 2 left open curves. So, 213. Right, children? Good. Prakash, now you tell me what number is this? How to read this number? Yes, Prakash, you are good. 214. Very good, dear. Shall we write it? Shall we write it, my dears? Yes, very good. See, 2, 1, 4. Slanting line, sleeping line. Top of the slanting line, you have to draw a standing line. So that 214, right? Good. Next, Meghla. Now, see here, what number is this, Meghla? Yes, 215. 215. 215. Very good. Shall we write it, dears? Shall we write it? Yes, good. 2, 1, 5. 215. Good, children. The next number is 216. 216. What number, children? 216. 2, 1, 6. 216. Right, children? Good. The next number is 217. What number, children? Yes, 217. Very good. Shall we write it, my dears? Yes. 2, 1, 7. Sleeping line, slanting line, right? 217. Okay? Very good. The next number is, see here, 218. How to write 218? It's very easy, no? See here, 2, 1, 8. 218. Very good, dears. The next number is 219. What number is this, children? 219. Very good. This is also very easy to write. So, listen to me carefully, dears. 2, 1, 9. 219. What number, children? 219. Okay. In this second series of numbers, we should not change the tens place value and hundreds place value till the number 219. I have already told you, right, children? So, 219 is finished. Then, what will be happen in the next number? See here. Yes, here we have changed the one place value as well as the tens place value also. Okay. So that we can get the number 220. What number, children? 220. Good. Listen. 2, 2, 0. So what number is this, dears? 220. Very good, my dears. So see here, we have learnt the numbers from 211 to 20 now, right, children? Now I am going to tell the numbers one by one. You have to repeat after me. Okay, children? So say 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219. The final one is 220. 20. Very good children. My dear children, in the next class, we will continue the series of numbers. Okay children, so you have to practice these numbers in your home properly. Okay children, see you in the next class. Be safe my dears. Thank you. Bye-bye.